Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a realistic fireworks like this in After Effects Part 2. And if you want to see Part 1, I'll leave Part 1 into the description. In this tutorial I use Trapcode Particular plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. Okay, in Part 1 I'll do this one with blue color, fireworks with blue color, and today I'll add another color. Okay, so click here on this layer, then I'll go to designer. Okay, now I'll take fireballs and tail particles and explode particle and tail explode particle, copy and paste. Okay, so first I'll go to fireball, then I'll go here, then I'll duplicate system, and now we have system 5. I'll go here and rename, and I'll rename it also fireball or fireballs but 2. Okay, yeah, so now we have fireball 1 and fireball 2. Then I'll go to color, I'll change this color, I'll take this, the red one, I'll go here and I'll take orange, and let me copy these colors. Okay, then I'll go to emitter and I'll change particles per second to 2.5. okay, yeah, also I'll go to motion and I'll change random speed to 8 1 2 3 4 zeros. So now we have, as we can see, we have another color or another fireballs color. Okay, yeah, that's all. Okay, now I'll go to tail particles and I'll go here, duplicate system, then I'll go here again, rename, and I'll rename it also tail. I'll rename it tail particle or tail particles 2. Okay, yeah, tail particles, then hit OK. Okay, very good. Then I'll go to color again, just paste. Okay, also I'll go to emitter type, then I'll go to parent system and I'll set fireball 1 to fireballs 2. Okay, also I'll go to motion here, random speed, I'll change it to 8 1 2 3 4, and now we have a tail particles follow fireballs like this, and see, with another color. Okay, so now I'll go to explode particle and I'll, just a second, let me see, yeah, I'll go to explode particle and I'll duplicate it. Also I'll rename it explode particles 2. Okay, very good. So now let me go to okay, let me go to emitter. Okay, let me go to emitter here and I'll change fireball to fireball or fireballs 2. Okay, Also go to color, just paste, and I'll go to motion and random speed. I'll change it to 81234 and see. Okay, now we have explode particles when these fireballs die. Okay, now I'll go to 1 2 3 4 this one and duplicate system here, and let me name it till explode till explode particle or particles too. Okay, then hit OK. Yeah, now I'll go to emitter type and I'll change explode particles to explode particles too. Then I'll go to color, just paste. Then I'll go to motion here and random speed. I'll change it to 81234 also, and see. It's take a long time for render. Yes. So now we have another color uh, on our fireworks. And also, if you want to add another colors, you can just duplicate all for these systems. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.